Hi, this is John Benson of Pingley's & Benson, where we help business owners make and keep more of their profit. When it comes to EIDL defaults, a question that we often get is, what happens if I close my business after the EIDL default? Does the debt go away? Not necessarily. When you close the business assets are still at risk. So in a default situation, the federal government could come in and they could seize the assets. The assets could be cash in the bank, maybe furniture, maybe stock that you have, maybe a company vehicle, maybe the building itself if the building is owned by the business. These assets are all still at risk even though you've closed the business. Now, the debt doesn't necessarily go away even if you don't have enough assets, because if you signed a personal guarantee, then that debt is now going to follow you and your personal assets could be at risk. So before you go and close a business in the event of an EIDL default, you want to make sure that you look at the loan agreement. Look to see, was there a personal guarantee? Look at any UCC filings and also look at what assets you have. Closing a business after an EIDL default could hurt your leverage position and make it a lot more difficult for you to negotiate the debt later on. So before you close the business after an EIDL default, make sure that you speak with an experienced EIDL default attorney about what your options are. Hope this helps. For more tips on what to do in the event of an EIDL default, you can follow us at penguaysandbenson.com. You can also find us at Facebook and Instagram. And of course, if this video has been helpful in any way, please like and share. Have a great week.